Anger facts, whether it's through helping charity or just a small act of kindness, altruism makes us feel good. One study even found that the happiness gleaned from volunteering can increase your longevity and happiness. Animal facts, cheetahs are the only big cat that cannot roar. They can purr though, and usually purr most loudly when they are grooming or sitting near other cheetahs. Attraction facts. Attraction is largely due to an androgen steroid called androstenedione. This steroid is emitted through the human axillary region, and it has been linked with human attraction. This is because it's odorous chemical compound, and people can smell it on each other when they are. Body language facts. Talking requires the use of dozens of muscles in the lips, throat, and tongue, but speaking in a normal tone is no more tiring than sitting in silence. Brain facts. It's a myth that you only use 10% of your brain. You actually use all of it, yes. Even when you are sleeping, neurologists confirm that your brain is always active. Brainy facts. Every person you see in dreams has come across in your real life. Our brain cannot create faces. Children facts. Your child understands what you're saying before they begin to speak. Colors facts. Human eye distinguishes various colors simply based on the sensitivity of retina cells to the shades and the wavelength of the colors. Depression facts. Long-term use of marijuana leads to changes in dopamine production and has been implicated in the onset of depressive symptoms. Emotions facts. Emotions last even longer than memory. Many people can remember how emotionally felt during a certain situation, even if the finer details are hazy. Even if someone cannot remember who they are, they can remember the emotions of their past life. Extrovert facts. Extroverts place their feelings out in the open and have little fear of judgment. They thus tend to be happier people, and their many friends are good resources too. Friendship facts. In our culture, more is always assumed to be better. But a real measure of your relationship might be found in asking yourself how many of your social media friends or followers would be willing to lend you cab fares or offer you a place to sleep if you turn up unexpectedly. General facts. There's a pill that keeps your poop from stinking. Happiness facts. Your genetics and family upbringing account for only half of your happiness levels. Health facts. Hearing your name being called when no one has actually called your name is a likely sign of a healthy mind. Human behavior facts. Your problem is never really your problem. Your reaction to your problem is your problem. Human body facts. Try staring into each other's eyes for 2 entire minutes. It sounds like an awkward activity, but it's been proven to increase feelings of passion between two individuals. Hunger and food facts. Suppression of food thoughts results in binging. Health-conscious people who diet regularly and suppress food thoughts habitually are more vulnerable to giving in to food cravings, leading to binge eating. Introvert facts. Introverts are reserved, planning their actions and controlling emotions. They tend to be serious, reliable, and pessimistic. Jealousy facts. Through no fault of your own, a jealous person will always detest you. They covet your success, and when they can't have it, they'll simply hate you for it. The only way to deal with this is to be civil to them, otherwise they may do something vindictive. Laughter facts. Laughter is actually rarely tied to humor. Left-handed people facts. One evolutionary account for why left-handedness has survived is that it confers a fighting advantage, the so-called fighting hypothesis. There are many studies in the literature that explore the left-hander's advantage in sports like boxing and fencing. Love facts. Wonder why we act so inappropriate and irrational when we fall for someone. Well, it's not your fault. It's the chemical known as cortisol. Men facts. Boys never like to go to market for domestic things even if they are forced. Obsessive compulsive cologne obsessions are persistent, and uncontrollable thoughts, impulses, or images that are intrusive, unwanted, and disturbing. People facts. Lazy people accomplish more. Their laziness enables them to find the easiest, quickest ways to get things done. Personality facts. If you want 100 rupees to ask for 200, you are more likely to get your 100. Psychological facts. Memory is supercharged when new information is visual. Text paired with a relevant visual significantly improves the amount of information retained by novice learners. Sixth sense facts. Taste, gustation, and smell olfaction are related senses. Unlike vision or hearing, there's no set range of sensitivity. The tongue can sense flavors that are sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and savory. Part of the perception of flavors comes from aromas reaching olfactory and sleep facts. People who regularly sleep for longer than 10 hours have a greater risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and depression. Smoking facts. Do you know that tobacco addicts are likely to consider quitting the habit on Mondays? Technology facts. Human with a robot appearance is the meaning of the word android. It refers to a male robot. Ginut is the female-looking robot. Teenagers facts. A study showed that the percentage of teen girls who feel good about themselves is around 29% compared to boys with a percent of 46%. Women facts. Women who prefer to have more male friends than female friends are happier, healthier, and tend to live longer. Writing facts. When you see a signature with a slant to the right, you can be sure that its owner is a sociable and friendly person. The signature slanted to the left shows us modest people who don't like to push themselves forward.